Good evening students. Now today we will learn about binary operations on data frame. What operations we can perform on data frame? Basically binary operations. Binary means what? Such operations where at least two operands are required. What are binary operations we can perform on data frame? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, R addition, R subtraction. So practically we will learn one by one. So let's see practical part of this. Now I have created data frame. One is df. In df, value of df is 1 2 3 4 5. Another I have created df1. So value of df1 is 10 11 12 13 14. So now first binary operation that I'm going to perform here, that is addition. How we can perform? So another data frame I'm going to take, that is df2 equal to df dot add and just pass another data frame df1. So here df value of df is 1 2 3 4 5, df1 is 10 11 12 13 14. So when we execute this one and when we print this df2, value will be df, that 1 will be added in 10, it will be 11, 2 will be added in 11, it will be 13, then 12 will be added in 3, it will be 15. Like this result will come. So you can see here 11 13 15 17 19. The same way we can use sub function, sub function, and df1. What will the result here? Df data frame, that is 1 2 3 4 5, and df1, that is 10 11 12 13 14. So df minus df1, so result will be in minus. You can see here. So क्या हुआ यहाँ पर? df से df1 माइनस हुआ. So df का वैल्यू 1 2 3 4 5 था और df1 में 10 11 12 था, तो माइनस होने के बाद यहाँ दिख गया. Another function that I'm going to use, that is df dot r sub and df1. यहाँ पर ध्यान देने की बात है, both will perform a subtraction, but here this df1 will minus from df, but here this df will minus from df1. So बस तरीका अलग है. यहाँ पर df से df1 माइनस होगा, यहाँ से df1 से df माइनस होगा. So when you execute this thing, so it will be what? 10 minus 1, it will be 9, then 11 minus 2, it will be 9. So such a way result will come, means result will come in positive way. You can see here df2. So बस सिंपल सा फंडा है. नॉर्मल सब क्या करता है? लेफ्ट से राइट माइनस करता है. यहाँ पर क्या होता है? आर सब मीन्स राइट से लेफ्ट माइनस होता है. सो दैट इज द मेन डिफरेंस. सो अनदर फंक्शन आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस, दैट इज df डॉट आर एड. यहाँ पर रिफ्लेक्शन देखने को नहीं मिलेगा आपको, इसलिए कि एडिशन में आप लेफ्ट से करें या राइट से करें, वैल्यू विल बी सेम. सो व्हेन वी प्रेस दिस df2, कैन सी द रिजल्ट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज I'm going to discuss, that is multiplication. So df dot mul and df1. now क्या होगा? 1 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा 10 होगा, 2 को 11 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो 22 होगा. So result will come like this. df2, when we print this df2, you can see here. Now next function that I'm going to perform, that is div function. So df1 dot div and just pass here df. So just division operation will be performed here. When we press this df2, you can see division part will be here. So I hope all these functions are clear to everyone. Just I'm going to move this part. Add I have discussed, addition, sub I have discussed, multiplication I have discussed, division I have discussed, r add I have discussed, r sub I have discussed. In r add, when you use this r add, so means addition will be performed from right to left, and r sub means what? subtraction will perform from right to, means right element will be first and then left one. So all these things I have discussed. If you have any query, any doubt, you can write in the comment box. This topic is very easy topic, so any query, any problem, you can write in the chat box. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.